die first. Wow. That was tremendous.
That felt so good.
That was good. I didn't even need a mic for you. That was like super loud.